If you're a fresher or someone who just got a couple of years of experience in tech, you're probably asking, which programming language should I focus on to land a high-paying, future-proof job? With tech evolving faster than ever, making the right choice now could be the difference between a career that stagnates or skyrockets. In this video, we are counting down the top 5 programming languages to learn in 2026. Whether you're into web dev, AI, app development, or data science, this list will help you decide where to invest your time and energy. For each language, we'll cover what it's best used for, a major product or company using it, what kind of jobs it's linked to, and how much you can earn in India and the US both at the entry level and once you gain experience. Make sure to watch this video till the end because the #1 language might surprise you and it's more powerful today than ever before. Let's dive in. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment with the language you're most excited to learn in 2026. Number 5, C#. C# is Microsoft's baby, a language that powers Windows apps, enterprise software, AR, VR games via Unity, and backend systems. Products like Skype, Paint 3D, and Visual Studio are all built using C#. It's a great fit for roles in enterprise software, gaming, and .NET development. In India, entry-level C# developers earn around 5 to 8 LPA, while those with 2 to 3 years of experience can fetch 12 to 18 LPA. In the US, salaries range from $80 for juniors to $140 to $160,000 for experienced devs, especially in enterprise environments. Number 4, Java. Java might be decades old, but it's far from outdated. It still powers Android apps, large-scale enterprise systems, banking software, and platforms like LinkedIn and Spotify. It is incredibly versatile and widely adopted, making it a safe and smart choice. Java developers work in fintech, Android development, SaaS, and cloud apps. Entry-level salaries in India are around 6 to 10 LPA, while experienced devs earn 18 to 25 LPA. In the US, juniors start around $90,000, with experienced engineers crossing $150,000 to $180,000. Number 3, JavaScript. JavaScript is the king of the web. It runs on the browser, the server, Node.js, and even native apps, React Native. Sites like YouTube, Netflix, and Facebook wouldn't exist without it. It is the most widely used language globally. Front-end, back-end, full-stack JavaScript lets you do it all. Perfect for those aiming at web dev, SaaS, startups, and tech consultancies. In India, freshers earn around 6 to 10 LPA, and experienced devs go up to 18 to 25 LPA. In the US, entry salary starts at $95,000, with senior roles hitting $160,000 or more, especially with framework like React or Node.js. Number 2, Python. Python is a simple-to-learn, insanely powerful, and incredibly flexible. It powers Instagram, Dropbox, Reddit, and most of the data science tools you use today. It is the go-to language for AI automation, web development, and scripting. Jobs in data science, AI, back-end development, automation, and scripting are Python-heavy. In India, entry-level Python developers earn 6 to 9 LPA, while experienced folks can command 20 to 30 LPA, especially in data-focused roles. In the US, salary starts at $100,000, and Python experts can earn $160,000 to $200,000, particularly in machine learning and analytics. Number 1, TypeScript. At number 1, we've got TypeScript, a superset of JavaScript that's taking over large-scale web development. It brings type safety and better tooling, making code bases more maintainable. Platforms like Slack, Asana, and Microsoft Teams are built with it. It's quickly becoming the default for serious web apps, making it an essential skill for full-stack developers. In India, TypeScript devs start around 7 to 11 LPA, and those with experience easily earn 18 to 28 LPA. In the US, starting salaries are about $100,000, and senior devs can go beyond $170,000 to $200,000, especially in large React/Angular projects. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 programming languages to learn in 2026. Whether you're just starting out or already a year or two into your career, the key is to choose a language that aligns with your goals, whether it's web dev, app building, systems programming, or AI. Each of these languages opens doors to specific roles, industries, and salaries. The more you understand their real-world use and earning potential, the smarter your learning path becomes. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it, and hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below which of these languages are you learning next.